This is the letter Y, and Y is a consonant. The letter Y makes the sound Y. Y. Can you make that sound? Y. Y spells Y, like in the beginning of the word yarn. Yarn. Can you say yarn? Y. Y. So the interesting thing about the letter Y and the sound that it makes is that it's a very hard sound to isolate, to say all by itself, and we tend to add a bit of a schwa sound to it. So it's helpful to think about the word yarn and then remove the arn part and think about what we're left with. Y, arn, y, arn. We can hear the Y sound in the beginning of words like yak, y-ak, yak, and in the beginning of words like yet, y-et, yet. Can you do that one with me? Y-et, yet. The letter Y is such an interesting letter because it can make both consonant and vowel sounds. Today we're going to be focusing on Y as a consonant. To make that Y sound, start with your mouth opened and your tongue touching the roof of your mouth. Then open your mouth wider as you let that sound flow. Like in the beginning of the word yes, yes, or in the beginning of the word yellow, yellow, yellow. And see if you can really isolate that beginning sound. Let's try it together. Tongue up, mouth open, then glide into the sound Y. You can hear it at the start of words like young and yell. It's fun to see how letters work in different ways. And we'll come back to the letter Y again when we talk about it when it takes almost a vowel form. So this is not our last time talking about the letter Y. Keep practicing that Y sound and listen for it in other words too. Now let's practice writing an uppercase Y. To make an uppercase Y, you're going to start at that top line and we're going to skywrite with our fingers. So start at the top line, do a slanted line towards the middle. Go back up to the top line, do a slanted line to meet that first line at the middle. And then from the middle, do a straight line down to the bottom. Beautiful. Let's skywrite it again. Top, slant to the middle. Top, slant to the middle. Middle, straight to the bottom. Now let's learn how to make the lowercase y. So we start at the middle and slant down to the bottom. Then we hop back up to the middle. And this time when we slant, we're going to go past the bottom. This is a letter that goes beneath the bottom line. So starting at that middle, slant down, 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 past that bottom line and stop. Let's try again. Go to the middle, slant to the bottom. Go to the middle, slant to the bottom, and go past it. And that is how we make the lowercase and the uppercase Y.